Hi everyone, my name is Bobby Williams and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a list of emails from an email connection inside SSIS using COZYROC. Then I'm going to show you how to use that list in conjunction with a JavaScript component as a source within a Dataflow task to push the email information to an Excel destination plus component as the destination. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to create a new mail connection to use in our receive mail task. So let's right click on the connection manager. Let's choose IMAP type. Our host is going to be imap.gmail.com. I've created a temporary Gmail account for this package example. The port is going to be 993. The connection type is implicit TLS. And the username is the Gmail account. And let's enter the password and test the connection. Okay, the connection succeeds. All right. Okay, here's a preview of what our final package is going to look like. First, we're going to use a received mail task to get a list of mail items. Then we're going to use a Dataflow task to, inside of that, we're going to use the mail list that was returned from the received mail task in this variable mails list. We're going to pass that to this JavaScript component, and this JavaScript component is got code in it to return the mail information, which we're in turn going to use to store that into an Excel file using the Excel destination plus. All right, the next thing we're going to do is drag a receive mail task to the control flow canvas. And we're going to rename it to get list of mail items, and we're going to double click so we can go ahead and configure it. The first thing we're going to do is expand options so we can see any optional parameters. All right. And then our action is going to be get mail list. You can see that there are other actions that you can use in receive mail tasks. There, get mail, open mail, and delete mail. All right, and then so our result variable is going to be user mails list, which we've already created in our variable section. It's mails list and its data type object. All right, and then we're going to use our mail connection that we just created in the previous step. All right, and then we're going to add a filter here so we only get back certain emails. I've already created this filter, and let's take a look at it. All right, so we're only going to get emails that are from my regular email address, which is bobby.williams@cozyroc.com, and anything that has been sent since March 23rd of 2020. All right, now that we've got a list of emails in our variable called mails list, we're going to drag a data flow task to the control flow canvas. And we're going to rename that to mail information to Excel. We're going to connect the receive mail task to the data flow task. And we're going to double click to configure it. All right, the next step is we're going to drag a JavaScript component to the Dataflow task canvas. And immediately you see that you have three ways to use the JavaScript component. You can use it as a source, you can use it as a destination, or you can use it as a transformation. In this case, we're going to use it as a source. And we're going to rename this to mail info source, and we're going to double click so we can start configuring it. And so immediately you'll see that there are 3 ways that we can start to bring in a script to the JavaScript component. The first way is to start with a template script, and this includes comments and a guide to how to author your own custom script. The second option, and this is new in version 2.0, this allows you to choose from a drop-down a list of pre-built COZYROC scripts. All right, and you can find these located on COZYROC's website under the Products tab. And when you get to the Products page, you take a look under this tab called Scripts, and you'll see all the same scripts here that under this Sources tab here that are available in this drop down here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and choose mail info source here. That's the one we're going to be using. All right, and so the third option is to choose a custom script from the file system. So you could just jump over to the COZYROC website and download one of those pre-built scripts and bring it in using this third option here, or you could write your own script and bring it over in here. Good way to transfer from one project to another as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and choose OK. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you that after you brought the script in, you do see a list of parameters that are available for you to set. And those parameters will be available after you click the OK button. And here are the parameters that are available again. And we're not going to set the attachments parameters. We're just going to set the source, which is that variable called mails list that we returned from the retrieve mail task. And that's all you have to do to configure this JavaScript component. Okay, our next step is we're going to use an Excel Destination Plus, but before we add that, let's go ahead and set up our Excel Plus Connection Manager. So let's right click on Connection Managers, click New Connection. We're going to choose Type of Excel Plus, click the Add button. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the path to our Excel file that I've already set up in an Excel folder within our solution, and that folder is called Mail Info. Let's test the connection. It succeeds. Let's click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and just rename this a little bit here. All right, and so let's go ahead and drag an Excel Destination Plus to the Dataflow task canvas. And let's connect those. And I'm going to rename that. All right, let's double click to configure our Excel destination. We've just now set that, created that connection, so let's choose Excel Connection Manager. We have one worksheet called Sheet 1, and everything else is going to remain the same here. We're going to keep existing data to clear because although that Excel already had the column headers in it, we're going to clear this each time that we're writing to it. All right, and then you'll see that immediately from our mail info source, the columns are now made available to the Excel destination plus, and these are all the pieces of information that you can get from your mail item. All right, and those are each one of those mail items that was returned from the receive mail task is now going to be written to the Excel file. So let's click OK, and we can go back over to our control flow, and our package is now ready to run. Okay, before I run this package, I'm going to go ahead and show you that the Excel file doesn't have anything in it. Alright, and so there you see just the headers are there, and let's go ahead and run the package. Okay, the package succeeds, and now we can go back to the Excel and see that all the information, including the ID of the emails, so the sent date, the received date, the size from to, carbon copy, reply to, subject, body text, and body HTML, they've all been written to the Excel. All right. And before I take off here, I want to show you on the COZYROC website where you can find the documentation for the task and components that we used in this demonstration package. So if you click on the products tab of the COZYROC website, you can either just click on the tab or click learn more, and you jump over to the products page. And so the task and components that we used in this package are under the task tab here, the receive mail task. All right, and then under the transformations, inside the data flow task, we use the JavaScript component. And then we also used the Excel destination. And in conjunction with the Excel destination, we also used the Excel connection. All right, thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us by submitting a ticket on our help center at desk.cozyroc.com. You can join our social media at the link shown here. For more videos and content, subscribe to our channel.